Okay, for 94, they want us to solve these literal equations. So for A, they want us to solve 3x minus 2y equals 18 for x, right? So we want x all alone. So I add 2y to both sides, right? And I get 3x equals 2y plus 18. We divide both sides by 3, and we get x equals 2/3 y plus 6. X equals 2/3 y plus 6. Okay, for B, we have 3x minus 2y equals 18, and they want us to solve for y. So we subtract 3x from both sides, and we get negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 18, or 18 minus 3x, doesn't matter. We divide by negative 2, and we get y equals 3/2 x minus 9, right? Negative 3 over negative 2 is positive 3/2. 18 over negative 2 is negative 9. So for C, let's make some space. C, we have, RT equals D, and they want to solve for R, so we just divide by T, right? So we get R equals D over T for C. And then D, we have C equals 2 pi R, and we want to solve for R, so I divide both sides by 2 pi, right? So I get C over 2 pi equals R, and of course we write it with what we're solving for on the left, right? So R equals C over 2 pi.